What do I have to do today? Oh no.
So as you guys know, we have our final project due next week. It's worth 99% of your grade. And I'll have office hours on Wednesday at 3 p.m. if you guys have any questions. But if there are no more questions, I hope you have a good rest of your week.
Our college student here has ADHD, which hinders their focus and executive function. As we can see here, the way they currently schedule tasks is to separate them into due today and not due today. Even though the system works for short assignments, let's see what happens to our student's final project.
4 to 6 days later.
Okay, so how are you doing? How are you doing on the project?
So there are only 2 functions left.
Oh, really? No way. Yeah, I'm like halfway through proving like the Shetty theorem, you know? And
Wait, when's that due?
You mean the inclusive git pool rebase 5,000 that we have to do? That's due tonight?
Yeah. Tonight?
Yeah, it's due tonight.
Tonight?
Yeah, tonight.
I haven't started.
Tonight.
My final project is due today and I haven't started it. I gotta lock in, guys, come on.
Has this ever happened to you? Well, we have something for you.
Hi, I'm Jamie. I'm a CS and MAAD major in a 4th year.
Hi, I'm Brandon. I'm a 4th year CS major.
Hi, I'm Erin. I'm a 4th year CS major.
I'm Jacob. I'm a 4th year CS and linguistics major.
Hi, I'm Ben. I'm a 4th year CS major.
And we are...
FocusBloom.
College students with symptoms of ADHD are often victims of excessive stress due to poor scheduling practices. This is credited to the difference in scheduling practices used in high school, as students are typically given a well-structured schedule detailing their school days, unlike their schedules in college.
To understand the needs of our prospective users, we created a preliminary survey. Using snowball sampling, we gathered around 20 responses and had the following findings. Many users felt challenged by too many tasks happening at once. Google Calendar is a very popular existing planning service, and many users value the features of automatic scheduling and cross-device compatibility.
Our initial idea was a mobile app with AI-powered auto-scheduling, where users would input the details of their tasks by chatting with a large language model. Then the app would break the tasks down and schedule them for you. But the major feedback we got from our poster presentation was that our peers preferred a physical device that could be used with existing scheduling software, specifically Google Calendar. So we decided to pivot. For our low-fidelity prototype, we created a cardboard device and accompanying it a web app user interface to demonstrate how a student might use our product in a real work environment. Expanding on this prototype, we now proudly present FocusBloom.
Our web application supports 2 modes, a focus mode and a task mode. In task mode, you'll have access to a list of your obligations, which is synchronized with your Google Calendar account. With those obligations in mind, our task scheduler will automatically schedule around those events to avoid any schedule conflicts. When you want to create a task to work on, you input the task title, deadline, priority, time block, and time between check-ins. You can also color code your tasks for better visibility. If you make a mistake while scheduling a task, you can go into edit mode to change the details of that task.
When the user schedules a task, the backend uses the Google Calendar API to automatically schedule tasks twice a day, going as long as the time increment specified by the user up to the due date. If there are already existing tasks, the program will instead check for another open available time block and schedule the tasks then.
Once all your tasks are scheduled and you're ready to work, you can now go into focus mode, where you'll be prompted for the end time of your work session. Once this is complete, you'll be met with a screen that shows your current task, your next task, and the time until a check-in. During check-ins, you'll be prompted to either continue the task or skip it.
If the user clicks to skip the task will then be rescheduled on the Google Calendar side, being allotted to another time block that is not occupied. If the user instead clicks complete, then the event on the calendar will actually be deleted. These show how the system works in tandem with the user's already existing Google Calendar, making it flexible and easy to access on any device with the Google Calendar.
Wow, that was so easy to use and I'm so on task now. I managed my time so well. Thanks, FocusBloom.